Number 4, leverage on technology using your skills, knowledge, and experience. Listen to me. Whether you like it or not, as you sit here, as you are watching this video right now, there is a skill you have, there is a knowledge you have, there is an experience you have that people are looking for to pay for. Why not leverage on technology? You're on social media, you're on Facebook, you're on TikTok, you're on YouTube, you are everywhere. Why not leverage on these platforms to start teaching people, start producing content? Okay, you are like, yo, Nhyira, I'm not comfortable on video. Okay, don't do video. Do an audio podcast. Okay, Nhyira, I don't have a good voice. I don't want to even be in any video. Write articles. Have a blog somewhere. It's easy to do this. Start teaching people because, you see, like I said about financial sustainability, having multiple sources of income is the key. And one of the ways to be able to have multiple sources of income is using your skills, using your knowledge, using the experience. You don't have to do any side hustle. Okay? You don't necessarily have to start buying condoms and selling, buying sanitary pads and selling, or going. No, don't worry your head. You know something. You are talented about something. Maybe you love food. You love eating. Like, I don't know, maybe you love doing something. Okay? Maybe it'll surprise you. Sometimes you go on YouTube and you look at a couple of videos and the views they have and the money that people are making, and you're like, wow, so people are watching this? Yes. Because people are looking for answers to the problems that they have. And probably you are the answer to someone's problem. So leverage on technology, use your skills, use your knowledge, use your expertise. What the heck are you doing? You are the head of finance in your company. Why don't you have a blog? Why haven't you written a book? Why are you not creating content about finance? You are the head of procurement in the company. Why don't you have any online presence? You are the head of HR. Why are you not interested? You are an accountant. Why are you not interested in educating people? Why are you letting that knowledge be wasted, quote unquote, just like that? There are people online dying to consume your content. So leverage on the social media, leverage on technology, create a page. It's easy to do. You don't need to be sophisticated. You don't need to have an expensive microphone. Your phone, the phone that you are having, you can just use that to start creating something. Okay, you are not good in video. Do an audio podcast. Okay, you are not good in audio podcast. Do a blog post. Do something. Leverage on this technology, boom, and make some money. Because you see, the currency now is attention. He who has attention has the money. So now it's about attention. And you need to have personal brand. Do you wonder why billionaires and millionaires now are having personal brands? They are having online presence. You ask yourself, you've made your money, go sleep somewhere. But they are big on social media. They are big on creating content online. Why? Because personal branding, information, and getting attention is the new currency. Why are you wasting your skills? Why are you wasting your knowledge? Why are you wasting the experience? Why are you wasting the talents that God has given you? Do something. See, it will surprise you that in 6 months, the kind of attention that you could get if you are consistent in doing what you're doing. I'm telling you this because, you see, I've seen that happening in my life. As at the time of shooting this video, we have about 51,000 followers on Facebook and about 75,000 followers on TikTok. And all of these growth came in early this year, from February. So as at the beginning of this year on Facebook, we're having like probably 18,000 followers or so. And so I was sitting down because all this while, all the contents that I've been creating were just about ICA, professional courses, accounting, and all that. But then I had other content in me. I had other ideas in me. I had other articles that I had written down, but I've never had the courage to shoot the video. So I tested. I was there one day. It was just a test. I was just in a polo shirt, and then I shot a video about HR because I had a conversation with our HR, and then I shot the video, and then I posted it on Facebook. Boy, within a week, the video blew up, and I was like, what the heck? Then I did another video, started blowing up. Then I started venturing into other contents. That is why you see me sharing the content that I'm sharing with you right now. Because I decided that the skills, the experience, the knowledge, the talents that God has given me, I'm going to explore it. And that is how we are able to grow from 18,000 at the beginning of the year, as at the time of shooting this video, to 51,000 followers on Facebook and millions of impressions on social media across the world. That is how you attain financial sustainability. Because as you grow your audience, as you leverage on your skills, you will be able to generate more income and, most importantly, become successful. So, your salary is small. Yes, your employer is not willing to increase your salary. We agree there are economic hardships. But in the midst of these economic hardships and difficulties, there are opportunities available that you can take in order for you to build your life, make more money so that you can become successful. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.